All right, well, welcome you guys. Thanks so much for taking the time to check out this comparison video between MagicBlog and Rytr. I wanted to give you guys a little experience here of my personal experience when I got to try both of the softwares side by side. So let's dive right into it. You can see here with Rytr that when you first log in, it takes you to this page right here, and Rytr does a lot of things, which is cool, but you have to choose the specific use case that you're wanting to do. So you click that drop down, and next thing you know, you have all these different options. You can actually keep scrolling, and it goes down and down and down. But if you're wanting to write an article or a blog, you obviously can choose one of these two, but it's like, all right, which one specifically? I chose to start with the blog outline and ideas right there. So when I did that, it popped down here. I was able to put in my keyword here, and then I could choose some more variants, creativity, and whatnot, and then click this write for me button. And that all of a sudden popped out this whole post right here. I guess this outline right here. So pretty cool that I was able to pop out this outline. Pretty good article headers in general. What I don't love though is it's a pretty telltale sign that it's AI written. If it does this right here, where it has a basically a little kind of topic, and then it has the subtopic right after this semicolon right here. It does that almost every single place. Right there, right there, right there, there, and there. And there. So it's pretty much doing it everywhere. That's one of the things that we've optimized out of MagicBlog there. So just some fine tuning that they need to do as far as creating a really good article. The other thing I didn't like is once I had this article structure, then I had to do more manual work. So I actually had to jump over here and switch the use case right here. And then I had to literally copy paste this section here, paste it into here, and then copy paste the specific keywords there, paste it in right here, and then click the write for me again, and then it popped it out, and there's some completely unformatted paste or format right here. So here's the header of the first one. You can see the first article right here, Rise of A-Frame Tiny Homes. So it popped that out, but now I had to literally go and format the entire article, which is not what I'm wanting to spend my time doing. I'd love to optimize my articles, but not spend my time reformatting everything and so on. They have this little tip right here. This little tip right here that specifically shows how to do an article inside of Rytr, but not very user friendly, which is something that we focus on pretty heavily on MagicBlog. Jump over to MagicBlog's little outline here now. So when you click generate an article or create a new article, just pops into here. You can quickly, all you got to do, I mean, you don't have to select it, but if you're wanting to generate multiple articles at one time, you click this drop down, and then you're able to choose between how many articles you want. Then you enter your core keyword or core topic, and that'll help basically format the entire article there. So once you've done that, you can click the magic wand button right here, and that pops out your keywords. So these are going to be the keywords for the entire article and whatnot. So you can optimize those if you'd like. You can just click on there anywhere. You can delete some, you can add more, whatever you specifically are wanting to write about. Next step is to generate the article structure for your post. You just click this little button right there, and that actually pops up this right here. You're going to choose how long you want your article, which is another nice feature of MagicBlog. Some people want long articles, some people want short. People just want to be able to have the option to choose what length that they're looking for. And we found that there's an optimal number of H2s per article setup, or not necessarily an optical, but there's a bracket range that you want to stick between. You don't want to have a short form article with 15 different H2s and sections and so on in the article. So a way that it flows really nicely throughout. So once you've clicked that, it'll generate the article structure. So here's going to be your main title right there, the H1. And then you get the option of choosing between additional H2s, but this is how it's going to pop the format out right here. And from there, you can choose to add more sections if you like. You can change some of these from H2 to H3 or H4. You can delete sections, whatever you'd like to do on here. Once you feel like your outline structure is pretty dialed in, you can go ahead and click this generate post button. Once you click that, that's where the magic really happens. And you can actually see the article being written in live time. Once the article has been written completely, it'll pop you right into this next page right here, which is the article optimization page, where you can actually jump in there. You can start editing anything you want. You can highlight different sections of it. And once you highlight it, it'll pop up the magic command bar. You have this little magic wand right here that's actually your AI assistant, your magic assistant right there. You can ask it any questions. You can ask it to add things or whatever. You can just, put your cursor right here and it'll actually give you an option to add an entire section. Or you can say, please add an FAQ section in here or whatever it is that you'd like. So you have a lot of creative control at your fingertips. All right, you guys. Well, I really hope that that was a good explanation and a good comparison side by side of the two generating articles with MagicBlog versus generating an article with Rytr. Both really good tools, but MagicBlog is focused only on article generation and articles and blogs, whereas Rytr, you can do all kinds of different things, whether it's e-commerce or Amazon descriptions and all kinds of different things like that, which just kind of muddies it up, specific use case, and makes it not as user friendly. All right. Hope that was helpful. Thanks, guys. See you soon.